Okay, so there's two ways of thinking about what's going to spit out at the bottom of a sales process. So one is, I'm sure you've seen these sort of funnel analyses where we've got different sales stages, and this is a service that sales ops can provide for the head of sales. So let's say from the very top we convert at 30%. From this range we convert at 50%, and from here 75%. These are just round numbers, and here 90%. So if I've got 10K here, 10K here, 10K here, 10K here, this is worth 3, this is worth 5, this is worth 7.5, and this is worth 9, and I sum that up and I get how much I'm gonna close off of what's in my pipeline. But then there's other factors to think about, which is cycle time, like how long does it take? So let's say my whole sales process is 60 days. But this part of the process is actually 30, 10, 10, 10, just to keep it easy. The reality is we're already, December 5th? None of this is going to close. Maybe some of this is going to close, and these things have a good chance of closing. So I'm going to carve off this, carve off most of that, and now let's say I'm looking at 18 total. So that's one way of doing forecasting. The other potential rate limiting factor is how many people do I have. So if on average, let's say these represent 5 deals each. So I've got 20 deals in my pipeline. Let's say my average rep can do 3 deals per month.
Uh-huh.
And then I've only got 2 reps. So I can do 6 deals. The average productivity is 6 deals. So even though here I'm saying I've got 10 plus a little of these, let's say I've got 11 deals in the pipe. This math over here tells me this is my constraint. My rate limiting factor is how many people I have on the floor, because if they do what they normally do, they're going to do 6 deals. The funnel conversion tells me I can do 11. I screwed up. I should have hired more salespeople. So in a perfect world, these things are in balance. They never are in balance. We always look at every month, every quarter, and say, where are we rate limited? Are we rate limited by pipeline and conversion properties, or are we rate limited by capacity?